Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Newton cryptocurrency. Newton is a relatively new cryptocurrency that has been gaining a lot of attention lately. In this video, we're going to be discussing whether or not Newton has the potential to be the highest valued cryptocurrency in the future. We'll also be going over how to send BTC from Newton. So let's get started. What is Newton? Newton is a cryptocurrency that was founded in 2017. It is a decentralized platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade a variety of cryptocurrencies. Newton is unique in that it offers a number of features that are not available on other cryptocurrency platforms. For example, Newton offers a built-in wallet, a staking feature, and a rewards program. Why is Newton gaining so much attention? There are a number of reasons why Newton is gaining so much attention. One reason is that the platform is growing rapidly. Newton has over 1 million users and is available in over 200 countries. Another reason is that Newton offers a number of unique features that are not available on other cryptocurrency platforms. Finally, Newton is backed by a team of experienced and respected entrepreneurs. Does Newton have the potential to be the highest valued cryptocurrency in the future? It is difficult to say for sure whether or not Newton has the potential to be the highest valued cryptocurrency in the future. However, there are a number of factors that suggest that Newton has a good chance of success. One factor is that Newton is a well-established platform with a large user base. This gives Newton a strong foundation to build on. Another factor is that Newton offers a number of unique features that are not available on other cryptocurrency platforms. This gives Newton a competitive advantage. Finally, Newton is backed by a team of experienced and respected entrepreneurs. This gives Newton a strong leadership team. Of course, there are also some risks associated with investing in Newton. One risk is that the cryptocurrency market is still relatively new and volatile. Another risk is that Newton is a relatively new platform and there is still a lot of room for growth. However, overall, I believe that Newton has a good chance of being a successful cryptocurrency in the future. How to send BTC from Newton? If you're interested in sending BTC from Newton, here are the steps you need to follow. Log into your Newton account. Click on the Send button. Enter the address of the recipient. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Click on the Send button. Your BTC will be sent to the recipient's address within a few minutes. In conclusion, Newton is a cryptocurrency with a lot of potential. It is a well-established platform with a large user base and a number of unique features. Newton is also backed by a team of experienced and respected entrepreneurs. While there are some risks associated with investing in Newton, I believe that it has a good chance of being a successful cryptocurrency in the future. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep learning.